So what are we doing today?
Well, we're off on another adventure, possibly picking up a caddy. Saw a caddy that we might pick up and see what we could do with it, see if there's any money to be made, or who knows, you never know, we might fall in love with it, keep it, might be a keeper, you never know. It's a 51, but anyway, that's all we know right now. We haven't laid eyes on it yet, but we're going to go look at it and see. We might come back with it, and the rest will be history.
Straight back.
I'm not going to be able to open this door. I'm going to have to climb out. Oh, jeez.
This really barely fits on there. If this was 1 inch bigger, that wouldn't have worked.
For a rat rod, buddy, it's hard to beat that for a rat rod, right?
No kidding.
Right? Look at that. Look at all the trim and everything is good on it.
It's already got a dope stance too. White walls. You can get rid of your Subaru, daily drive this thing.
Yeah, that's it. That's what I need right there. We got her. We got us another one. Got another fish. And it looks pretty good. We're pretty happy with what we got, you know. Pretty fair deal, we think. And somebody probably in Southern California probably gonna love that. Look at they're
already got a thumbs
look
up.
At this guy next to us wants it right now. Wants to buy it right off a trailer. But anyway, yeah, it's a good deal, I think, and it's all the good trims on there, the hard to find trim. It started right up, drove onto the trailer. What more can you want for for a low budget rig like that? You know, it's classic. It's a classic rig. We love it.
There it is right there.
People are ogling it right now. We got her this far. That's one step at a time. Loading it up and unloading it went pretty well. It's a tight squeeze on this trailer. This car's wide. Anyway, we got it here, and now it's out in the sunshine. It looks pretty nice. You know, the more we look at it, the more we like it. Pretty complete old 51. Somebody already had a hand at rat rod in it a little bit. It's got a few little embellishments that put it into the rat rod category, but it's the epitome of patina. I think it was a maroon car at one time.